This video is about how to do mental subtraction within 100, and we are going to be doing 2-digit numbers minus 2-digit numbers. We'll start out with 38, and we're going to subtract 12. So I want to put 12 in my box up here. When we do mental subtraction, we subtract from left to right. So we do the tens place first instead of the ones place like you would do if you are writing it out vertically. So we're going to first do 38 minus 10. So let's take 10 away, put it in the box, and now I have 28. Now I still need to take 2 more away because I want to subtract 12 altogether. So let's take 2 away from the 8 because we can. So we will trade the 8 for a 2 and a 6. Okay, so we still have 28 here. Now we can take away 2. So I've taken away 12 altogether, and I'm left with 26. So that is the first step where you're not crossing over a 10 at all. You're just subtracting ones from ones, and that's the easiest step. Now let's look at the next step. All right, now on to the fun part, 23 minus 17. So first we're going to subtract the tens. So 23 minus 10 is 13. And now we need to subtract 7. So I've taught 2 ways to do this. I am going to just show you the one way that is easiest to me, but if you like the other way, you can do it that way. So I'm going to subtract 7 from the 10. So I'm going to trade this 10 for a 7 and a 3. So I still have 17, 10, or I'm sorry, I still have 13, 10 and 3. And now I can take 7 away. So I've taken 17 away altogether, and I'm left with 3 and 3, which is 6. Now, to do this in your head, you would look at 23, and you would do 23 minus 10 is 13. Then 13 minus 7. Well, 10 minus 7 is 3, and then add the 3 in, and you have 6. If that greatly confuses you, go back to my previous mental subtraction videos and work on problems like those. You can find practice pages on my website at educationunboxed.com. Do those and then come back to this, and it will make a lot more sense. All right, we have a bigger one here, 82 minus 54. So we start out with 82. And first we're going to subtract 50. So 82 minus 50, that's 5 tens, is 32. And now we need to subtract 4. So I'm going to do 32 minus 2, and then minus 2 more. So I'm going to take 2 more away from this 10. Let's take 2 away. So I've taken away 4, and I am left with 28. Now in your head, you would look at 82, and you would say 82 minus 50 is 32. And then I want to do 32 minus 4. So 32 minus 2 is 30, and 30 minus 2 is 28. All right, 76 minus 28. So let's take away 20 first. 76 minus 20 is 56. And then 56 minus 8. So I could go either way on this. I think I will subtract 6 first. So 56 minus 6 is 50. And then 50 minus 2 more. There's 50 minus 2 is 48. So I've subtracted 28, and I'm left with 48. And so in your head, you would think 76 minus 20 is 56. And then you want to do 56 minus 8. So let's go down 6 to get to 50, and then we have to go down 2 more to get to 48.